Welcome back to the Foundation in C# course. We're currently in Module 9, and this lesson we're going to be looking at adding the bookings table to our database. This is the last table to add to our SQLite database. So the homework is to create that table and make sure that you also add the foreign key relationships where necessary. Okay, so pause the video and go do that. All right, I'm going to assume that you are done. Let's go over to Visual Studio. We'll open up the bookings table, and this is a little larger, so let's bring it up like this. And now we can bring up our SQLite database and create a table. We're going to call it bookings. Make sure you spell it right. Add an ID field, integer, not null, primary key, auto incrementing. Add a field for room ID, that's an integer, so not null. And the room ID references the room table in the ID. So let's select that row and make sure we add a foreign key there. So it's the rooms table, the ID, and that's it. So now we can add a field. Notice in text, not null. And then we have checked in, which is a bit inside of SQL. And we don't have a bit, but we do have an integer. And integers can be 0 or 1. So we can say not null, and the default is 0. Okay? And then we can add another field and call it total cost. And this is going to be an integer as well, even though it's money. And it's as well not null. So there's our booking table with 2 foreign keys and all the columns. Notice we do have like text columns and integers for booleans and integer for money. So we do have to keep an eye on those things when it comes time to actually using it inside C#. All right, we'll hit OK. We'll hit Write Changes, and now our database is complete. In the next lesson, we're going to add some starter data just like we did for SQL. Okay, so come on back for that.